Morning, folk. Man, dropped down in the 40s last night, so it got nice and chilly. So, oh yeah, we're going with hoodie and we're going with pants. We're not going with shorts today. It's a bit chilly. But let me spin you around here. So, stayed at Pilot last night. Not a bad stay. Slept pretty dang good. You see over here, got some vans over here. Got a few vans over there, so a few people crash here too also. All right, folk. So pancakes are eaten. I'm all set. So I went and picked these guys up. Said we're gonna want to go do some fishing there. It's like, heck yeah, we want to go. So they got the fishing poles ready. We're out here.
And there's a catfish swimming like a joke.
At Lake Glacier. And hoping these guys get a bite or two. But anyways, we'll let you know later, folk. All right, so we got to get some more bait on it, bud?
Yep.
Yeah, all right, bring it on up.
Must be that bluegill.
Do you have some nibblage?
Yeah, something's moving.
Yep, there you go. Just now drop it. There you go. You got it. All good? So what, you getting nibbling?
Yeah.
All right.
There's something in one of the branches.
Right on. Good cast.
Something's moving.
All right, guys. So weren't entirely successful at the fishing, but we at least still have fun.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, that nice answer. About time you answered. But anyway, you guys are like staring at me like, yeah, sure. But anyways, even though we weren't successful at fishing for fish, we did catch a fire rescue truck. Yeah, man, that's been in there for a while. Pretty messed up and muddy, but maybe we could clean it up. And there's our trophy of the day. Fire rescue truck.
Probably a little kid dropped it.
Right.
And the parents didn't let him go back in.
Just doing my morning walk out here and noticed a couple deer just walking around out here in the woods. Pretty cool. All right, so a couple of them were up there and came down this way, so I took a different trail and found them. There's two of them right in there, and they're ready to take off back on their own direction there. Well, anyways, so I came to the park, did my morning walk and everything, And it's a good half-hour walk, so it's getting some pretty good exercise in. But today I parked, and I was like, you know, I'm remembering right now, so let me go to Walmart and go get some toilet paper. I ran out of toilet paper last night, so I wanted to go get some toilet paper. I was going to leave. But I'm glad I didn't leave. I said, nah, let me take the walk first. And I'm glad I did, because I got to see the deer this morning. That was really cool. Man, that's the stuff you hope to see when you come out in places like this, is to see the wildlife that's out here. I think it's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm going to make the Walmart run now to go get the TP. Later, folk.